Hello students, good morning. We have already started a topic, application of matrices and determinants. We have already learned either the system of equation is consistent and inconsistent. We have also learned the difference between homogeneous and non-homogeneous system of equation. In our previous lecture, we have learned how to find out the solution when two linear equations with two variables are given for the non-homogeneous system of equation. For our today lecture, we will learn how to find out the solution when three linear equations in three variables are given to you. Either the system of equation is homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Now, let's start our today topic. When three linear equations in three variables are given to you, you will follow these following steps. Step number 1, you will write down the equation in matrix form. Ax is equal to b. It is the non-homogeneous form. You will follow the second step. You will find out determinant A. Now, two conditions will be there. Either determinant A is not equal to 0, either determinant A is equal to 0. If determinant A is not equal to 0, then type of solution is unique solution. Consistency is there, dependency is there, and system of equation having unique solution. But if determinant A is equal to 0, you will follow the fourth step. You will find out adjoint A. Now again two conditions will be there. Either adjoint A is not equal to 0, either adjoint A is equal to 0. If adjoint A is not equal to 0, you will follow this fifth step. You will find out adjoint A into B by rule of 7. Now again two conditions will be there. Either adjoint A into B will not equal to 0, either it will be equal to 0. Now you will get the type of solutions there. If adjoint A into B is not equal to 0, the type of solution is no solution. And if adjoint A into B is equal to 0, then the type of solution is many solution. For the other case, when adjoint A is equal to 0, you will verify. According to fifth step, in that case, you will verify either A1 upon A2 is equal to D1 upon D2 or A1 upon A3 is equal to D1 upon D3. You will verify these two conditions. Now again two conditions will be there. Either it will be verified, either it will be not verified. If it is verified, then type of solution is many solution. But if this is not verified or either one is verified, then solution is no solution type. Now let's take one example to understand this topic. Now I have taken one example. Examine system of equation for x minus y plus 2z is equal to 7, 3x plus 4y minus 5z is equal to minus 5, 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 12. Now three equations are given to you with three variables also there, x, y, z. Now the constant term is called the d value. Okay, now first of all we will write it in the term of matrix. Coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z. 1, minus 1 and 2. These all are the coefficient of first equation. X, y, z. Variables are there. Now these all are the constant terms there. 7, minus 5 and 12. Now it is in the form of non-homogeneous type. We will continue with the second step. According to second step, we will find out the determinant A. Now according to determinant A, we will write down the element of first row as it is there. 1, then minus 1, then 2 is there. In the second term, we will write down one more minus sign will be there. Now, we will continue with the cross multiplication. When we will write down about 1 is there. Cross multiply 4 into 3, 12. One negative sign is there. Minus 1 into minus 5, that is equal to positive 5. But with the negative more one sign there, it will be equal to minus 5. 12 minus 5. Same way we will solve this one. After solving this full solution, we are having the answer 4 there, which is not equal to 0. Now what type of system of equation is there? This system of equation is consistent, independent and having unique solution. Determinant A is not equal to 0. Now let's take one more example to understand the topic. In this example, I have taken these 3 equations which are having 3 variables 1, 2 and 3 and one constant term is there. These are the values for D. Now, according to first step, we will write it in the matrix form. AX is equal to B. AX is equal to B. A matrix variables are having there with the another matrix B there. Now, we will follow the second step. Determinant A. Determinant A is equal to 0. Now, we will follow the another step there because determinant A is 0. Then we will find out the adjoint A. To find the adjoint A, we will find out the cofactor of all the elements of given matrix. Now, cofactor of all the elements A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Whenever you solve, these all cofactor, all values are equal to 0. Now, these all row become column for the adjoint A. Now, adjoint A, all row become the columns there. That is values is equal to 0. Therefore, adjoint A is equal to 0. Now, if adjoint A is equal to 0, you will find out A1 upon A2 and D1 upon D2. Now, according to equation x minus 3y plus 5z is equal to 4, A1 x, B1 y, C1 z is equal to D1. X variable is A1, y variable is B1, z variable is C1 and constant is equal to denoted by D. Now, according to A1 upon A2, value of A1 upon A2 is 1 upon 2, D1 upon D2 is 4 upon 11. Now, A1 upon A2 is not equal to D1 upon D2. If A1 upon A2 is not equal to D1 upon D2, what type of system of equation is there? It is inconsistent and having no solution. These are the all examples when non-homogeneous equations are there. Now, let's take one examples to understand the homogeneous system of linear equation. Either linear equation of with 2 variables or linear equation with 3 variables. We will follow only these 3 steps in homogeneous system. We will write down first step Ax is equal to 0 in the matrix form. Then we will find out the determinant A. Now again 2 conditions will be there for the determinant A. It may not be equal to 0. It may equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then unique solutions are there. But if it is equal to 0, then many solutions are there. Now keep it in your mind. Every homogeneous system of equation is only consistent system of equation there. Every homogeneous system of equation is consistent system of equation there. Now, we will take one example to understand this type of equation. According to this type of equations, all equal values are equal to 0. It will give you a big hint there. If is equal to value is 0, constant term is 0, that type is the homogeneous type. That type is called the homogeneous type. We will write down it in the matrix form first. A variables with the next matrix is equal to 0, 0, 0. All constant values are there. Now, Ax is equal to 0. This is the homogeneous type of equation. You will follow with the second step. You will find out the determinant A. When you find out the determinant A, its value is again equal to 0. Now, determinant A is equal to 0. So, what type of system of equation is there? System of equation is consistent and dependent and having many solutions. Now only consistent system will be there. Now students, you will get one link related to this topic. One RoboMate modules also will be there. Please go through that link and do your homework. I hope you will do. Thank you.